If your business or school depends on reliable computers, but you're tired of long wait times and tech headaches, there's a better way. We're the Notebook Shop, based right here in Cerritos, California, proudly serving Los Angeles County, Orange County, and beyond for over 30 years. Since 1991, we've been the go-to computer specialist for businesses, schools, nonprofits, and professionals, offering real expertise, fast service, and personal support you just don't get online. We specialize in Lenovo's ThinkPad, ThinkBook, ThinkCenter, and ThinkStation lines, trusted by organizations worldwide for their performance and durability. But what makes Notebookshop different is what happens before and after the sale. If requested, we pre-configure your systems, installing updates, optimizing performance, and handling any upgrades you need, so your team can plug in and get to work immediately. Need something urgently? We offer same-day or next-day delivery for many local clients, and we keep a huge selection in stock, ready to go. We're not just a seller, we're also an authorized Lenovo service provider, which means you can drop off your laptop for repair or warranty support anytime. Whether it's a business fleet, a classroom, or your personal system, we treat every client with the same care and urgency. After 34 years in business, our clients trust us because we're local, responsive, and real. You can call, visit, or just stop by for a free consultation. So whether you're equipping an office, upgrading a classroom, or just need a reliable laptop fast, Notebookshop is your one-stop solution for Lenovo products, service, and support. Stop by our showroom in Cerritos or visit us online at notebookshop.com to get a quote today.